Hi friends, I am Muhammad Zubair Khan Lodi and you are watching Topic Factory English YouTube channel. In today's video, our topic is how to set a picture password on Windows. So without any other discussion, let's start our video. First of all, we will go into the settings. Like as I may now click on the start option and click on settings option to open the settings. Now after opening the setting, click on accounts. Then we will click on sign in options. Now this type of interface will come in the front of you, and here is the picture password. To set it, we must have to set a password first. To access other sign in option, we will click on add and create a password. After the password has been done, we can also add a hint. If you directly click next, it says this field is required so we may have to add some password. For example, I write 123 and next, and then finish. Password has been created. Now we can create pin and picture both. So we will now click on add from picture password to create our picture password. I may simply click here on add. After clicking this type of interface will come in the front of you. First of all, you have to retype your password here and then click on OK. Now we will have to click on choose picture option to choose the picture we will want to set on picture password. Simply click on choose picture and then your Windows Explorer will open in the front of you. You can see that I have some pictures here. I choose one of them, for example this one, and click on open. The picture has been opened. We have to set the picture which we will the piece of the picture which we want to use. After selecting, simply click on use picture, and now you may have to do 3 steps. For example, in the first step, I may click on the tire of the video, click don't and move it till here and then stop the click. This is the first guys, and in the second guys, I do this from here to here by clicking the mouse. You also have to make your own 3 patterns which you want to use to unlock your computer with the picture password, and you now have to confirm them by repeating that task again. Now it says congratulations. We can click on finish. We didn't have any mistake. Second time we can simply finish and the picture password has been created successfully. You can also change and remove it, and we can also set the pin. Click on add and write the password again, and then simply click on OK. Now you have to add a pin. For example, I add the pin 1234. There is also an option to reset the pin if you forget the pin. I forget my pin option. Write your password here to reset the pin. You can also remove the picture password simply as well as the picture and password. So now we will restart our computer and show you how to log in with the picture password. After the computer will restart, there are sign in options available on your computer. This is, you can simply select the option. For example, this is pin, and this is this is pin. The key means pin, and this is picture in picture. So we will going to log in with it. I am going to do the same pattern as I did when I was making the password. Creating the password. Now you can see we have successfully logged into our Windows. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.